Hey, I'm David from neuroflash, and today I'm going to show you how to create cross-channel social media posts in just 2 minutes using the Magic Pen. We're going to use our social post builder for this. We'll select it and first choose the language we want to create our posts in this case, English. In the next step, we can choose for which channels we want to generate our posts. Here I can choose my channels freely and without any restrictions. So of course, I can create text for all 5 channels at the same time. In the next step, we can choose a tonality for our post. Here you can choose a maximum of 2 different tonalities. If you don't want to set a specific tonality, just click Confirm without selecting anything. In the next step, you can describe in short sentences or keywords what your social media posts should be about. In this example, we're going to make a post about plant-based meat alternatives. And now, you just have to wait, and after a few seconds, you'll receive your cross-channel texts. They will be sorted according to your selected channels, and now you can just manually edit, change, and customize them. This new feature gives you the ability to adapt your corporate communication specifically to the tone and format of the different social media platforms in a matter of seconds, without having to create each text individually. Take advantage of this time-saving feature and take your social media communication to the next level.